Games that pay real rewards are not all the same because the biggest difference is whether the earning process, payout rules and requirements are clearly explained. By the end, you'll know how to judge money-making games before spending time on them, and what signs show whether a game is worth trying. The first thing to check is how the game explains its rewards. A legitimate rewards game should clearly show how players earn points, credits, or other benefits. Before spending hours playing, check the reward system and understand what actions actually lead to rewards. The second thing to review is the payout process. A game that offers rewards should explain how players redeem them and what steps are required. Look at the withdrawal or redemption information before investing your time. The third factor is the type of gameplay required. Some games reward specific activities, while others use different tasks or challenges. Choose games with earning systems that match the type of gameplay you already enjoy, because the reward process depends on consistent participation. Another factor is transparency. Games that clearly explain their rules, reward limits, and user requirements are easier to evaluate. Avoid games that advertise rewards but do not explain how the earning process works. Reviews can help identify common issues. Look for repeated complaints about reward changes, unclear requirements, or problems with redeeming rewards. Use reviews as a reference, but check the current game details because reward programs can change over time. A common mistake is assuming a game is worth playing just because it displays large reward amounts. The amount shown is only one part of the decision. You also need to consider the time required, the tasks involved, and the effort needed to reach a reward. The easiest way to test a rewards game is to start small. Complete a few tasks, understand the system, and see whether the experience matches the claims. This helps you avoid spending too much time on games that do not fit your expectations. The best money-making games are not necessarily the ones with the biggest advertisements. They are the ones with clear rules, understandable rewards, and a payout process that makes sense. Before choosing a game, check 3 things: how you earn, how you redeem, and whether the time required feels reasonable. Your next step is to test one game at a time and track your results before trying more. If this guide helped you evaluate reward games better, like the video, and subscribe for more practical reviews of apps and earning platforms.